Most people get this wrong. They download money-earning apps expecting fast payouts, but they never understand how these systems actually work. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming every cash-earning app guarantees real income without conditions. Here's the truth no one tells you. Apps like Moneywell are designed around reward systems, not traditional income. That means how much you earn depends on time, availability of offers, and how the platform structures rewards. In this video, you'll learn how Moneywell works in 2026, whether it really pays, how users earn points, and what you should know before spending your time on it. Let's get straight into it. Moneywell is typically a reward-based app, where users earn points by engaging with mobile games or completing in-app activities. These points can sometimes be redeemed for rewards such as gift cards, depending on region availability and app policies. Now here's where it gets interesting. The earning process is not instant. You usually have to play games, reach certain milestones, or stay active for a period of time before you start accumulating meaningful rewards. This is where many users like Alex get confused. They expect quick cash, but instead, they see slow point accumulation. But here's the problem. Not every activity inside the app pays equally. Some games or tasks may offer higher rewards, while others provide very small returns for the time invested. This creates a big gap between expectation and reality. So does Moneywell actually pay? In most cases, users report that the app does provide rewards in the form it advertises, but the value depends heavily on consistency, availability of offers, and user engagement. It is not a replacement for a job or steady income source. This is where most people fail. They treat reward apps like income apps. Instead of viewing it as entertainment with small bonuses, they expect predictable earnings. That mindset leads to disappointment. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to use apps like this without wasting your time. If you decide to use Moneywell, the best approach is to treat it like casual gaming. Set a time limit, play only when you are already relaxing, and track your progress toward rewards instead of chasing them aggressively. Also, always check the redemption options in your region. Some users may have access to gift cards, while others may see limited payout options depending on updates and location. So what's the final answer? Moneywell can pay in the form of rewards, but it is not a high-income platform. It is best suited for users who enjoy mobile games and want small incentives along the way. If your goal is serious income, this is not the right tool. But if you want casual rewards while playing games, it can be worth trying. The key takeaway is simple. Understand the system before investing your time. If this review helped you, like the video, subscribe for more honest app breakdowns, and comment below if you want me to review another earning app next.